Hello guys, I'm Jason from the manager and I'm here to take you on today's tutorial on how to create an email account on cPanel. So firstly, we assume you already logged into your cPanel page. So go to the email section, click on email accounts. Then it takes you to this page which will show you all existing emails. Then click on add new mailbox. Pick the email address you wish to use. Jason@share.com. Write in your email. You can either choose the generated password or your own specific password. But we can go with generated password, but always remember to keep this password in a secured place. So copy and save it, and click on the add button. That's it, you successfully added an email address. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please kindly like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Thank you.